Hello, good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
A very good morning,
Morning,
guys.
sir.
A very good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Turn on your camera, please. Let's start our class. And I will worship you with all of my heart.
Sir, was Bethia there with you?
No, no.
Why
Sir, yeah.
Nitya is traveling.
where's
That
Bethia?
is why. Right
So
now, I.
when will she come back?
Sorry.
When will she come back to class?
Uh, no idea. Maybe Feb or maybe Jan end. I didn't have idea regarding
Oh,
this.
okay.
Okay, so yesterday we learned about the what we learned yesterday that when metal carbonate react, so carbonate is there. Carbonate is related to carbon dioxide, and when carbon dioxide, it will release. Okay, it will release what? Carbon dioxide. So metal carbonate when it react with acid, which gas will evolve? Carbon dioxide. Guys, did you understand? Yes or no? Okay. Now today we will learn about metal oxide. Before metal oxide, we will learn this thing. Before metal oxide, we will learn topic called as neutralization. Neutralization reaction. Now, everyone, please pay attention on the board. Okay, don't write. Now, neutralization reaction is the reaction when acid react with base, it form salt and water. This is called as neutralization reaction. Whenever an acid reacts with base, it's called salt plus water. Now remember this thing that this salt is not a acid or nor will be the base. Means it is neutral. Okay, the water is also neutral as well as the salt will also be neutral. Means if I will take salt solution, okay, if I will take this salt solution and if I will take litmus paper, so obviously there won't be any red color or blue color I will get. It will be neutral color, which is will be the gray color. If the litmus paper is gray color, then it will be remain in gray color because nor a acidic character will be shown or nor a basic character will be shown. How? How we will understand this? See, we will understand this. Now, for example, if I will take HCl plus NaOH. See, HCl means hydrochloric acid. Okay, hydrochloric acid. And this is NaOH, which is called as sodium
Hydroxide.
hydroxide. Okay, when they will react, they will form NaCl, which
Mm-hmm.
is salt. देश का नमक टाटा नमक means sodium
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
chloride
Mm-hmm.
plus H2O, which is water. Now, if I will talk about the mechanism, see, guys, the mechanism will not come in your exam. This is only for your understanding. Okay, it won't come. So the mechanism gonna be like this. See, HCl plus NaOH is there. So what will happen? This H and Cl will break their bond like and plus Na and OH also they will also break the bond. Okay. Now what will happen? That this Na will make like this Na plus will join with Cl. Okay, forming what? NaCl Okay, and in the same way, this OH, in the same way, this will make a bond with this H.
Sir, you're mute.
Oh God.
Okay, guys. So what was I saying? What was I saying? Yeah. So what happened? What happened now? This Na plus, which is broke with OH, it will make a bond with Cl, making NaCl. And in the same way, the H plus and the OH will attract and make H plus OH, which is basically the water. So this will become what? H2O, because 2H is there, so H2 and the O is there. So this is the how the mechanism of NaCl and water is formed. Now everyone please pay attention. Now this is the product. This is the product. So if I will talk about NaCl, is there any H plus is there? In NaCl, is there any plus H plus is there? Or is there any OH minus is there? No. So this NaCl is basically neutral. Is Na plus is basically the neutral. In the same way, the H2O, like if for example HCl releases 5H plus ions and NaOH releases 5OH minus ions, they will join together, make H2O. Got it? Yes or no? So neither acidic will be there nor basic will be there. Means it gonna be like this: +2 -2. What is the answer? 0. If acid is
Sir,
+2, the base
explain
will be
again.
-2, it becomes 0. Yes. Yes.
Can you please explain it again?
See, uh, if I will talk about the water formation, see, I know that H plus HCl releases H plus ions and NaOH releases OH minus ions. So it is like this: if 5H plus ions are releases by HCl and 5OH minus are releases by this thing and NaOH, so they will make a bond making H2O, which is neutral, because 5H plus will neutralize the 5OH minus, become 0.
The water is a neutral solution, neither acid nor base.
Nor base nor acidic. Even the salt NaCl is also neutral. Everyone, please pay attention. Ira, don't write. I will give time to write, beta. Okay. Now, the next. So we got that neutralization reaction is the reaction in which acid neutralizes the base, or base neutralizes the acid to form salt and water. Simple as that. Got it? Yes or no? So I
Yes.
will write one more time this thing. So, like for example, acid react with base to give salt plus water. This is the thing. Got it, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now the next topic is which is the fourth one: reaction of metal oxide with acid. Reaction of metal oxide with acid. Okay, now listen, guys. Listen, guys. I will give time to write. Listen, because this is important. Now, whenever a metal oxide will react with acid, it is also forms salt plus water. A metal oxide, when react with acid, it will also form salt and water. Okay. Now metal is metal. Oxide is oxygen. And oxygen has a valency of -2. Oxygen has a valency of -2. So for example, if I will make sodium oxide, if I will make sodium oxide, so sodium is Na and oxide means oxygen. Na has a valency 1, oxide has a oxygen has valency 2. It will cross multiply, it will make Na2O that we learned yesterday. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now if I will take Na2O, when it will react with acid HCl, it will form NaCl plus H2O. So now what is this? See, we know that this, we know that right now we learn acid react with base gives salt and water. This is acid, this is acid. They both are acid. And the salt is there, water is there, and water is there. But metal oxide is reacting with the acid. So it means that metal oxide is basic in nature. It is basic in nature. That is why it is reacting with acid and makes salt and water again. Same thing. Got it? From these two equation, what we got that metal oxide is basic in nature. That is why we are reacting with acid. It gives salt and water. Got it, guys? Agatha, Edric.
Yes, sir, 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 sir.
Now, what? Like for example, if bee sting, okay, like bee sting, it sting in your hand, you will have a burning sensation. That is correct. So what you will guys do? Yeah, like what? Like in my fifth class, I got bee sting in my school. So my science teacher was saying that go. Where do you have guys like to other teacher? Do you have any key? Do you have any key? So I was wondering at that time that why the key? Like I got my bee sting, it's burning. You are not going for any medication. You are just asking for the key. But what he did, he take the key, he rub on the bee sting area, and after some times, the burning sensation, I got healed. So what happened? That key was made up of metal, and in atmosphere it is what like that. It become metal oxide. The sting which I got from bee, thank you for that. At that time, it is acid. Like bee sting is has a acid. Metal oxide was there. Bee sting, which is acid, they rub it, becomes salt and water.
Sir,
So
we can
it
also put
become neutral.
turmeric, right?
Sorry.
We can also put turmeric on the bee sting. That's what we do when we get a bee sting.
No, turmeric is an indicator. Turmeric is not a acid or base. We can put baking soda.
Baking soda is
Baking,
baking soda is NaCO3. No, it is sodium bicarbonate. So that is basic in nature.
yeah, that is basic in nature. So we can put like if bee sting, basic salt you will put and it will vanish.
So, um,
Yes.
when people get like scraped on their knee or something, they put turmeric on the wound.
If that is the another topic. Like this is for the healing.
Ah, okay.
That is not for the acidic
But
or
does it
basic. What
help
is
in healing?
Yeah,
yeah,
I know.
it's a natural medicine.
I didn't do anything.
Turmeric is a natural
Turmeric,
medicine.
so turmeric can heal bee sting.
Let me check. Is turmeric basic in nature? Turmeric, it's due to its medical property or antibacterial property, it can help, but it's not an acidic or nor a base. So for a quick relief, we can apply that baking soda. We can apply baking soda for a quick relief. Okay. So this is thing. Now you guys can write it down.
Done, sir. Sir,
Yes.
okay. So basically, metal oxides, no, metal oxide, metal hydroxide, and metal carbonate and metal bicarbonate, all of them are basic in nature, right? Okay.
Uh,
Array. Mhm. Mm.
quickly write it down.
Done.
We got that. We got what? That this is basic in nature. Who? Metal oxide is basic in nature. Okay. So from that, we can conclude this that metal oxide are basic in nature.
Done. Array. Done. I'm done. I'm done.
Okay. So we did this thing. So we did all this thing in which we learned that whenever an acid react with base, okay, it will give neutral thing. Okay, 165 is 165. This is 165. Yeah. Okay. So this is also called as neutralization reaction. You guys can read this. Okay, whenever an acid react with base, it causes neutralization reaction. The HCl react with NaOH, it gives NaCl and water. Okay, so this is how this thing will work. In the same way, H2SO4 will react with KOH, it will become K2SO4 and H2O. So acid plus base gives salt and water. So this process is called as neutralization reaction. Any problem till now?
No, sir. I guess.
No?
I guess.
Okay. Okay. Now we will learn about base. So for the taste and for this process, we know that bases are bitter in taste and their solution are soapy to touch. Okay. So we got this property that bases are bitter in taste and they are
Sir,
soapy to touch. Yes.
okay, what's the difference between strong and corrosive?
Strong and corrosive. Uh, Strong and corrosive are similar words. Okay, they are resemblance type of word. Okay, corrosive means dangerous type. Danger corrosive means they degrades the metal, they degrade this thing. That is called as corrosive. And strong is that the concentration of H plus ions and concentration of OH minus ions, it is both are in good number. That is called as strong. So they are both are similar words. Okay, they share the similar meaning. Not same, but similar type of word.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So the bases are bitter in taste and they are soapy to touch. So we know that litmus paper it will give blue, pink, and yellow. We learn that. Now, will base conduct electricity? Yes, base will conduct electricity. Why? Because, for example, if base I will take NaOH. So we know that the OH minus ion is there. When I will add water into it, so what will happen? The Na plus and OH minus ion will be there. So ions form. So yes, they conduct electricity because the ions are formed. Got it, guys? No. Yes or no? Patrick?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Write
now we
down
will
the.
learn about. Yeah, you can write it down. I'm coming in 1 minute. You guys write it down.
I mean, what is this? Yesly conduct.
Electricity.
So what is that? YESTHEY?
Yes, they. I just joined the word. Yes, they can conduct it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm coming in 1 minute. So you guys. Okay, guys, come back quickly. Come back. Okay. So we learn about the bases. They are bitter in taste and they are soapy to touch. They conduct electricity. When you will add litmus solution into it, they will turn them into blue. Phenolphthalein solution into pink, and methyl orange solution into yellow. We learned all this thing. Okay. Now there are basically two types of bases are there. How many types? There are two types of bases are there. Okay. Now everyone please pay attention. First are strong bases, and the second one are weak bases. The first one are strong bases, and the second one are the weak bases. Now everyone please pay attention. Strong bases are the bases as we learned about the H plus ions in the acid partner. That strong acid are the acid that completely dissociate H plus ions. Same here also. Strong bases are the bases that completely completely dissociate what? That completely dissociate OH minus ions. So they completely dissociate OH minus ions in the solution. Okay, they completely dissociate OH minus. David and Miracle, turn on your camera. They completely dissociate OH minus ions in the solution. Okay, and if I will talk about weak bases, they partially dissociate OH minus ions. Who partially dissociate? Weak base. Weak base do not dissociate all the OH minus ions. Hence, the OH minus ions if less, then the basic property will be less. Hence, they are weak bases. Got it? So, and like for example, if I will take, for example, NaOH, KOH, MgOH whole twice 2, CaOH whole twice 2. They all are strong bases. Why? Because they can releases the OH minus ions completely. But their weak bases, for example, are NH4OH. Okay. CuOH whole twice 2. If I will tell ZnOH whole twice 2, I will write the name also. This is called as sodium, and OH is basically called as hydroxide. It becomes sodium hydroxide. This is called as K is potassium, and OH is called as hydroxide. Mg is magnesium, and it is called as hydroxide. Okay. Ca is calcium, and it is called as hydroxide. Simple as that. Okay. Now nobody asked me that, sir, NaOH is there, CaOH whole twice 2 is there. Why? This will be the answer. It's gonna be like this. Like Na has a valency 1 and OH has a valency 1. Cross multiply NaOH. Yes or no? But if I will talk about CaOH, so Ca has a valency 2, OH has a valency 1. Cross multiply it, it will become CaOH whole twice 2. That's why I make whole twice 2. Everyone got it? Agatha? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now NH4 is basically called as ammonium. Yeah, ammonium or hydroxide. AMMONIUM, ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide. This is called as copper hydroxide. This is called as zinc hydroxide. So these all are weak bases. Now, one more point. Everyone, please pay attention. Now, one more point. They are water soluble.
Sir,
Yes.
sir. So copper hydroxide, the letters are represented as CuOH twice.
Whole twice 2. Yes.
So it's Cu.
Yeah.
And for the zinc hydroxide is ZnOH times 2.
Yeah. Zinc is Zn and hydroxide is OH. Now zinc has a valency of 2. That's why they cross multiply it and then 2 go that side.
Okay.
Now they strong bases are water soluble. Weak bases are water insoluble. Water insoluble. Okay. Means if you will add water into it, they will not soluble. They will not. What do you say? They will not able to dissolve in the water because they are water insoluble. Did you understand, Edric? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen, guys. Water soluble are means the strong acid are called as alkali. Alkali. Why they are called as alkali? Because they are water soluble. Means strong bases, because of they are water soluble, they are called alkali. What they are called? Alkali. Okay. Now the question arises here like this, that all alkali are bases, but all bases are not alkali. Why? The question arises like this. All alkali are bases, but all bases are not alkali. Why? So the answer of this, the answer of this is the answer of this. Everyone, please pay attention. The answer of this is, listen, guys. As we know that alkalis are coming under, like for example, basis is the grandfather. Basis has two sons, strong base and weak base, and the strong base has a son called as alkali. So whatever the alkalis are there, they all are coming under the basis. Yes or no? But all bases are not alkali. Why? Because weak bases are also there, which are not which are not water soluble. So this is correct statement. Why? Because all alkalis are bases, means all alkalis are the water soluble bases and they are coming under the basis part. But all bases are not alkali. That is also correct. Why? Because all bases have weak bases also and strong bases also. Weak bases are the water insoluble and they are not alkali.
Sir, so all strong bases are alkali. The only bases that
Yes.
are not alkali are weak bases.
Yes. Because of the water insolubility property. Guys, did you understand? I hope I am able to understand. I am able to make you understand this concept. No.
Answer. Sir,
Yes.
a strong base means is alkali, weak base means not alkali. Simple as that.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, are there only 8 strong bases?
No, there are many, but there are some examples I wrote. Like it's there in the book.
Sir,
Yes.
strong bases do have complete dissociation. So which means strong bases are the ones which can conduct electricity, right?
No,
More. They can
the
conduct
weak basis,
electricity more.
strong bases can conduct electricity. It is correct. But weak base also, they are releasing less H plus ion.
Strong bases can conduct more electricity than weak bases.
Mm, we can say that, but it won't matter a lot. Okay. Why? Because if only one ion is there, still it will conduct electricity. Or 1,000 ions are there, then also it conducts electricity. So we can say that because it releases more OH minus ions, yes, they conduct electricity easily, but it won't matter practically, I believe. Okay, so we can say that OH minus releases more, hence it is more conducting electricity. But I believe practically, maybe it matter, maybe it not. Let me check it. I will find it out. Okay. Now you guys have to write the question of the answer by your own words. This is the question. All alkali are the bases, but all bases are not alkali. Why? Write it down now only.
Sir,
Mm,
after you finish this chapter, will you start taking maths again?
no,
Sir,
maths we have only one chapter. First, we have to complete as much as chapter we can complete. Maths will take in Feb only.
sir, I feel that next week I'm traveling, so
Mm,
I'll I may not be able to attend classes next week, maybe maximum one class on 29th, but I'm not sure. I'm traveling,
Okay.
so
Okay, no problem. So we have online classes like YouTube, so you can watch it if you will get time.
like maths chapter 24. Chapter 24, I think. 24 or 25. Which chapter? I don't know. One of
Okay, done. Shall we move forward?
Sir.
Okay. Now the next heading: reaction of metals with bases. Reaction of metal with bases. So not all metal react with base, but some metal only. Not all the metals will react with base, some metal only. So we have two metal. First one is zinc. Okay. So same. It is also same. Like metals react with base, it will give metal salt plus H2 gas will release. Okay.
H2 with the up arrow.
Yeah. So metals like zinc, for example, zinc when react with NaOH, it
Sodium
give
zincate. Sodium zincate.
yes Na2 then O2 plus hydrogen gas will release. So this is called as zinc. This is called as sodium hydroxide. This is called as sodium zincate. This is called as H2 gas. Okay, sodium zincate. The another one is aluminium, which is react with NaOH. It will make sodium aluminate. So sodium aluminate is NaAl2O. Let me check the formula. NaAl NaAlO2. Okay, it is called as sodium aluminate. Okay, plus H2 gas will release. This is aluminium. This is sodium
मैंने भेज दिया आपको
hydroxide.
तो यार मैं रात को लगा मेरी बॉडी साथ नहीं दे रहा था जब किया
Okay,
3 बजे तक तो लगा मैंने कहा यार 11 बज गए ये शुरू हो गया
now write it down.
बस अभी स्कूल में था मैंने आपको सेंड कर दिया है और कोई भी अगर पॉइंट नहीं समझ में आए तो मुझे बता देना या कॉल कर देना ज्यादा नहीं कुछ वर्ड्स में ही चेंजेस है वैसे तो समझ नहीं है फिर भी छोटे मोटे कुछ शब्दों को ऐड करना है ओके
Sir, under Na2 and ZnO2, is it
Okay.
sodium what?
Sodium zincate.
Zincate. Okay.
Uh, what do you write? Sodium aluminate.
Aluminate. The name NaAlO2. ALUMINATE.
Okay.
After this, guys, you guys have 3 minutes break. Come back in 3 minutes.
So when do you think we'll finish this chapter?
It will take time. It will take time. I believe it's a, like one of the longest chapter, so it will take time.
Okay.
So you guys have 3 minutes break. Come back in 3. Okay, guys, come back. Come back, guys, come back. Now we will learn reaction of non-metal oxide with base. Reaction of non-metal oxide with base. See, non-metal oxide when react with base, it will give salt plus water. So, and we know the which reaction? Neutralization reaction. What is the neutralization reaction, Ira? Can you tell me? Acid
Acid plus base equal to NaCl plus H2.
means salt plus water. So it means that non-metal oxide is acidic in nature. Guys, are you getting this? David Miracle, turn on the camera. Non-metal oxide are acidic in nature. That is why it is making salt and water. Oh my God. Yes, Ira. You got it? Hmm? So non-metal oxide non-metal oxide are acidic in nature. Acidic in nature. Okay.
Actually, sir,
Now
what
we'll
is
take
nature?
nature.
Okay.
NATURE. Okay. So now, for example, if I will take CO2 plus NaOH, CO2 plus NaOH. So CO2 is carbon dioxide, and NaOH is called as sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. So carbon dioxide is non-metal oxide, and this is NaOH. It will form Na2CO3, which is sodium carbonate, and H2O will release. So this is salt, and this is water. Got it, guys? No. Just on you didn't get it?
Sir,
Got it,
how
sir.
does the equation balance out, sir?
Yeah, balancing you have to do. Balancing, I taught you how to do it. Do you want me to do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Do
I
it.
will do this. This one I will do. Now listen. For example, we have this reaction. I will write again, like CO2 plus NaOH will give Na2CO3 plus H2O. Now, this C and O are in one compound. I will write them near to each other like this, C and O. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. In the same way, N, A, and O and H, they are in compound. I will write near to each other like this. In the same way, N, A, and C and O are in one compound. I will write near to each other. And H and O are in one compound. I will write near to each other. Did you understand, guys? Now here, C is basically 1, O is 2, Na 1, O 1, H1, Na2, C1, O3, H2, O1. Got it? What I write? No. David didn't answer anything. Yes, David, ask me.
Yeah, understood.
Okay. Now, David, keep your mic unmute. Now here Na is how much?
Uh, 2,
And here Na is
1,
what I will do?
multiply it.
Multiplied by 2 because they are in compound. So everyone will multiply it by
Yeah.
2. So it will become 2 and 2 and 2. Did you understand? So now Na and this Na is basically all complete. Yes, Jashwan. Jashwan, you're saying something. Okay. Now I'll ask this from Agatha. Agatha, we'll check the Ca. Now what is Ca? How much Ca is there? How much C is there?
1,
And how much here?
1.
So they are already balanced. No need to do anything. Now
Yeah, I
Ira,
know.
how much O is there in right side?
3. And
Huh?
there's 3 on the right side and 2 on the right.
No. 3 plus 1. This is also O, na?
Oh,
So it will become 4.
okay.
Or in left side,
Yeah, and
this is
on
2.
left side-
This is also 2. 4. Perfect. Now we'll check about H. Jashron, how many H are there?
2, sir.
And how many H are there?
2, sir.
So all are balanced. So it means that where I add 2, where I multiply 2 in this compound. So in this compound, in front of this, I will write 2 like this. Got it? So it's gonna be like this. This is the balanced. All are balanced. Everyone got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
David didn't understand anything. David become Batman.
What is it, David
Yes, I
become?
understood.
David become?
Batman.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, I'm scared of bats.
Oh, you're scared of bats. Why?
Because because when they fly, what if it touches me? What happens to me? I'm scared.
Well, yeah, you
If
have
they
one
bite,
reason. Bats here cause rabies.
yeah.
What?
Yeah, if you get
Yeah,
like
now,
scratched by a bat, you can get rabies.
or if you eat a fruit bitten by a bat.
Yeah.
One child here ate a fruit bitten by a bat and died.
Died?
Isn't there a
Yeah,
cure to
that
that?
was years ago.
Okay.
Oh, they are very
So,
dangerous.
Agatha in Thiruvilla, no?
No, I'm in Wayanad.
Agatha,
You are in Wayanad.
have you ever gotten bitten by any type of animal?
Who? Me or Agatha?
No, Agatha.
Hens pecked me. Yeah, birds have pecked me, but nothing big on that. Yeah, dogs bit me playfully, but no seriousness. Only for a cat scratch, I went for injection.
Wait, for a dog, like if it bit you, you didn't go for injection.
Because they were pet dogs and they already were vaccinated.
Oh, okay.
So David has a good story with dogs, no? He likes
But
dogs.
So while riding on my cycle one day, I was taking to the shop because my tire was like punctured. So that time the one dog, there's like only one way to go home. So that time one dog had bitten one Swiggy guy on a cycle, and I
Oh.
had to go through there. So then it came chasing after me, and then like I tried to run away while getting on my cycle. I fell down, and then I scraped my knee very bad.
because that dog bit you, right?
No, the moment I fell down, it like just like lost. It's not interested in me anymore. The moment I fell down.
How many times? Dogs should be extinct. I hate them.
No, they should not. I mean,
Dogs
I
are
love
very
dogs.
amazing animals,
Yeah,
Adric.
dogs are
Dogs,
nice.
dogs and bats. Dogs and bats.
There's
And
another
Adric,
story.
bats are cool. We just have to keep our distance from bats. And dogs are amazing as long as you vaccinate them.
Yeah, but
because they contain rabies and rabies.
no, not all
Cats
dogs.
also have rabies. Adric, cats also have rabies.
But
Yes.
cats don't have. when
Yeah,
the
some
cat
cats can have
scratches,
rabies.
when the cat scratches, just blood will come.
No, the reason I took an injection is because that cat wasn't vaccinated, and if it had rabies, I could have also died. Okay.
Edric, one
Wait.
time me and my friend we got chased down by 10 dogs. 10 dogs.
Why do dogs chase all of us?
I don't know. No, it was my friend's fault because like we went to get a football which like went in another area. So we went to get a football and there's one dog barking at us. And my friend, he's very stupid. He like like fake threw the ball at the dog, like tried to scare him off. And then afterwards the dog came chasing after us. I told him not to run. He decided I want to run. And then the dog came running more faster. And then I started running because I was scared.
Oh,
And then the other 8 dogs which were sitting in like on circle got up and started chasing after us.
but please remember that dogs always chase humans. Stray dogs
Mm,
especially, and
Simply because they want to play, or that I
Yeah.
think they're more affected with rabies than cats. Cats
yeah,
only want to keep them busy.
dogs
Maybe
are more affected with rabies than cats.
that's my better check on the phone. Otherwise, dogs way better. Okay. More like both are nice.
Okay, guys.
But remember,
Let's leave the dog and cats. Just come back to acid and base. Okay, now
Part 11,
come back. So now this topic is dissociation of acid and base. So I told you before also that when acid only releases H plus ions in the presence of water. So for example, HNCl, like H plus and Cl minus will be there. Now this H plus when react with water, it gives H3O plus ions, which is also called as hydronium ion. Okay, hydronium ion. So we'll read this, and I request who will read? Jashran will read from here.
8.3 Water and dissociation of acids and bases. In the previous sections, we have learned that a substance is an acid if it furnishes H plus ions in its aqueous solution, and a base if it furnishes OH minus ions. Water plays a very important role in these processes. We shall learn about it in this section.
Yeah.
Role of water in dissociation of acids and bases. If a dry strip of blue litmus paper is brought near the mouth of a test tube containing dry hydrochloric gas, its color does not change. When it is
Now the question can come this tip till here, and they will write after this why. So the answer, we know that dry HCl means doesn't have any moisture content or doesn't have any H2O. Hence, the ions will not form. Hence, the H plus ions will not release. Hence, there will be no change in the litmus paper. Got it, guys? Okay, dry HCl is not acidic until unless the moisture will be there. Yes, Jashram.
When it is moistened with a drop of water and again brought near the mouth of the test tube, its color turns red. It shows that there are no H plus ions in dry hydrochloric gas. Only when it dissolves in water, H plus ions are formed, and it shows its acidic nature by turning the color of the blue litmus paper to red. A similar behavior is exhibited by bases. If we take a pallet of dry sodium hydroxide in a dry atmosphere and quickly bring a dry strip of red litmus paper into in its contact, no color changes observed. Sodium hydroxide is a hygroscopic compound and soon absorbs moisture from the air and becomes wet. When this happens, the color of the red litmus paper immediately changes to blue. Thus, in dry solid sodium hydroxide, although OH minus ions are present, but they are not free and do not show basic nature on coming in contact with water, OH minus ions becomes free and shows the basic nature by changing red litmus into blue. From the above discussion, it is clear that acidic and basic characters of different substances can be observed only when they are dissolved in water.
Yeah. So the water plays an essential role in forming acid and behaving acid or base. Okay. Now the question is this: that will dry HCl or dry NaOH will any shows any acidic or basic behavior? No, not at all. For that, they need water to dissociate the ions, and they will not show any behavior. Now, the next question is: there are two terms are there. First is concentration. Can you repeat with me? Oh, concentration. And the second one is dilution. Now, the word concentration means the less water and more acid. Okay, we'll understand it like this. Everyone, please pay attention. If I will say, water is there, and in water, a glass of water is there, and I added one teaspoon sugar. Then then I will mix it, and the water is little bit sweet. If I will add 2 sugar spoon, little bit more sweet. 3 sugar spoon, more sweet. 4 sugar, 5 sugar, 10 sugar, 11 sugar. Then it will become sweeter, 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 and the time will come that now it becomes sweetest, and now no more sugar will be added. So the time which came, now no more sugar will be added. That is called as concentrated solution, in which the sugar is more and the water is less. So concentrated solution is a solution in which the more solute is there than solution. Then solvent, sorry, then solvent. Okay, more concentrated solution means more solute is there than solvent. Means if I will tell that concentrated solution of salt, it means that it is very, 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 very salt. If I will say it is a diluted solution of salt, it means that it is less salty because water is added. So if water is added, if if water is added, if water is added, it is called as diluted. And if water is removed or water is very less, then it is called as concentrated solution. Okay, water is added, it is called as dilution, and water is removed, it is called as concentrated solution. You guys got this? Do you guys got this? Now I will ask this question from you guys. We have two options. Now my laboratory sir says that please dilute the acid, means please add acid into it because this is very, very harmful for us. Okay, my laboratory sir said that please dilute the acid because it is very, very harmful right now. Because dilution is there, then the harmfulness will decrease. Now for the dilution means adding of water. Dilution means adding of water. Now for the dilution, we have two options. The first option is the first option is we have water, and we are adding acid into it. Okay. The second option is we have acid we have acid and we are adding water into it. Now, which one is good option? Option A or option B? The first, like dilution, we have to do dilution, means adding of water. So the first option is adding of acid into water, or second option is adding of water into acid. Which one is easy?
A.
One is A option. Ira, what you will say? A or B?
A, sir.
Option A.
Yes.
Ira is A. Agatha, what are you saying? A or B? Or both are same?
I think B might be easier, maybe.
B might be easier. Okay. David, what about you?
B.
B. So we have 2 votes for B and 2 votes for A. Yes, Jashram.
A, sir.
3-2. Okay. Miraculin.
So B, because when water is added, then only dilution happens.
Okay. In the first also the water is there and we are adding acid. So dilution is there, no? Second also dilution and the first also dilution. So we have 3 and 3. So the winner is option A.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Why option A? I will ask this Ira because Ira chooses option A. That's why.
Sir, I just felt like it would be easier to have, when you have the water, then you know the quantity of acid to put in. Right?
No, this is not the answer. Okay. David also chooses A. Why?
So I chose option B.
Or you chooses B. Jashran chooses A. Why?
Because it's safer to pour the acid into the water than water into the acid. If you pour water into the acid can splash out.
Yes. Good. Edric, what will you say? Your views?
Like because if you add water to the acid, no, it's like the reaction will become so like like the reaction will become like like it might come out of the beaker, but in A it won't.
Yes. So guys, the answer is option A. We will not take option B anymore.
Sir,
Because
Yes.
option A is safer than option B.
sir,
Yeah. Guys, let me finish. So for example, if burning oil is there and if you will add water into it, then what will happen? Like Mama is
It will splash.
Burst. It was burst.
it will burst, it will splash. Why? Because it is very, very exothermic reaction. Exothermic means exit of heat. So whenever dilution occurs, it is very exothermic reaction. So if you will add water into it, into the acid, then the acid will be like that same condition, burning oil, and you're splashing water into it. Then the oil will splash out in the same way, the acid will splash out. But in this condition, because water is a good solvent and it will, if you will add acid drop by drop, so the water will not splash it out and it is easy to do the dilution. Okay, guys, did you understand? So option A is correct because water is good absorbent. It will absorb the heat from the reaction and the acid will not splash out as compared to the B option. So
sir.
question is what is easy to dilute, acid into water or water into acid? So the answer is acid into the water. Okay,
Sir,
guys. Yes.
like basically today, like the old students voted A and new students voted B.
Yeah. Okay. So did you understand, guys? Yes or no? So you guys read at home. Any problem today?
No, sir.
Ira, you check this, okay?
With the mark part you ticked. Okay.
Yeah.
In this question,
Okay.
8.2.
Ah.
Okay.
So we'll end this class. I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Salim Shabakir and sayonara. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir.